Hi, this is Catcomb1 here, back with more 25 Years on Earth, played through Z-Doom and Ultra-Violence from a pistol stout. This is Map 7-01, with just 28 monsters in it. And yes, I'm doing a second 25 years video today because I generally focus on other stuff over the weekends mostly. And well, I had my first death in the last level. This one has just 28 monsters in it, as I said. Whoa! I did not see that behind the shotgunner there behind me. Oh, well, already not doing good here. Will the barrel be an implement to the destruction of that power box? I doubt it. Nope. Just a regular barrel. Well, it would be cool if I could be down to 2% health and then end up not dying. Oh, and now I'm down to 4% health again because I had the Spectre take a chunk out of me. Not doing well here, but not dead. The text file describes this level as basically a linear run to the exit. I guess if you're gonna make a perfectly linear level, I don't want it to be really big, or else it might run the risk of getting boring. I'm worried if I fight those imps, then I'm gonna use up ammo that might be more useful for something else. No way I could dodge one shot though. But, oh, whoa! An outfire! Yeah, I'll play hide and sneak with you. Got a lot of cover compared to map 6 for that outfire. Or maybe it's a linear one to make up for me getting stuck on the progression in the last level. I don't know. Just as a little break. Let's see, I'm 17 out of 28 kills, and they probably have somewhere around 22 of them if I killed those imps. Is this like a brick maze or something? Well, I guess I'm a rat in a maze. Hence the name Rat 1. Can't put rat in the name of a level if you don't have a maze in it, right? And the exit already. Well, I guess there's only effectively 2 monsters left. That's one of them. That's another one. Oh, there must only be 4 imps back there. Yeah, because I have 24 out of 28 kills. Oh. Well, the OCD in me will go back and get the 100% kills. Even though I failed to find the secret on this level. But can pretty safely with 27 shells to get that 100% kill. Yep. And items. Only missing the secret. Proverbial little rat in the maze section to get to the ending. But for some reason when I run past this last one, it reminds me of TNT E1 for a moment. Maybe Hanger, I don't know. Anyways, that was a simpler than usual level. And I don't know, maybe it's a pun and another way of being dead simple in Map 7 of a wad with actually no Mancubi, no Rachnatrons in this level, so no use of the 666 and 667 tags. But we'll also play Map 8 Constriction. And this level's gimmick is that it's constricted to a 1024 by 1024 playing space, which that whole idea debuted around 2005 and has seen plenty of iterations since then, and there's even a Plutonia style 1024 project that Phobus contributed to around 2014, and there was a stemming off the 1024 limitation. There was also a 2048 by 2048 project that he contributed to in 2014. I think he contributed a rather difficult map to the 2048 project, in fact. I did end up beating Map 7 without deaths despite being below 5% health 2 times. Well, it seems like some of those vines that the intermission was telling me about are appearing. Single Hell Knight ain't nothing I can't manage. Lost souls, the enemy count's not increasing, so they must just be lost souls and thankfully not a pain elemental. AKA pain ITA elemental. Wonder who'll get that reference. Well, and just as I talk about not having a pain ITA elemental, well, guess what I get? It's almost like the map of Roofies I played a couple days ago. Oh, I didn't even know I had a chain gun. I guess I killed a chain gunner earlier, so I probably did have one. Yet another level with precisely one secret in it. Whoa. That must have been sheer luck that I didn't get hit scanned at all from that. Really? You're gonna put a tiny sector behind the door with a bunch of these? I guess it's a way of filling up the space. And I never know when there's gonna be a monster behind me. Whoa. Or one bunch of stuff teleporting in behind me. Only a couple stuff, but after the previous doors I didn't expect any. Oh, I hear stuff going on behind me. Oh, well, it's not in here behind me. It must be elsewhere. Well, did I open enough doors or did I open enough doors? Another one of them potatoes. As a great sub of mine once or perhaps more than once said, all potatoes must be mashed. If that's you, consider it a shout. And I am out of ammo. And I'd have to surrender my 100% kills. Well, I found that switch. Still, I got to get those Keiko demons out of there. I don't want to drown in those shots. Can I get back? Nope, he won't let me sneak by him. Tight space. Does not want to let me sneak by him. Too constricted. I can sneak by him here. Oh, and that switch is my secret. Am I gonna take a death in this level because I ran out of ammo? Those revenants aren't playing in a way that's gonna let me sneak by them very easily. Oh, there was some ammo left behind. Shoo. Maybe that'll be just enough to help me against the revenants. Better not waste it on the Keiko demons. Let me see if there's some ammo I left behind here, though I doubt it. Nope, nothing I left behind here. And I can't fall out from here. Got to get through this constricted space. Hopefully, two-shot this revenant with the super shotgun. Kill that imp. And now I can solve this little ending puzzle. And the only monsters left are the two Keiko demons that, given I even found the secret, I literally don't have the ammo to kill two Keiko demons. I'd have to do some punching without a bazooka, mind you. So what's the next level? Skulking Dead. With only 50 monsters? What's the text? What's it say? Oh, what the heck. I'll do this level as well. See if I can go relatively quick and race through it. Two secrets. I see one of them right off the bat, but I can't get it. Oh, that's not a... That door's a trap. So that's the use of that line action. Doors actually as a panel to open up something else. I can leave the lost souls behind. They can just stay lost. Hit scan those and have hell. Quite a few Rackatrons in this room. And quite a bit of damage I took from one of them. That mud fall over there is my best chance to stop those shots. At least until I get one of them down. So I got one of them down. Got another one down. Might be able to just ignore the third one. After all, I'm supposed trying to race here. Oh, okay. Now I know on map 5 I called improperly called the monster a mastermind, but that's definitely a mastermind I heard. What's up here? You're telling me I could have really gotten outside by just running along this long hallway? Or is that a one-way door? If it's a one-way door, then no, I couldn't have. If it only opens from one way. That spider mastermind is really gonna get in the way of me trying to race this thing. And that's a real spider mastermind, and not don't have a mouth slip this time. Also seems like I need to get to the higher ground that this Hell Knight is on. It's pretty good outdoor arena setup. Map 20 I know because I played it in the demo, has a nice outdoor arena setup too. I'll replay the map anyways when I get there. Oh, well, I need to look at the switch and no, I can't shoot that switch. I need to jump off to one of the sides probably. No, don't bite me. I'm gonna have full exposure when I'm running across. Thankfully he didn't choose to snipe me. Can I telefrag him? Yup, it's a telefrag. Good one. Still another one of his minions in the area beyond. This level also reminds me of the second episode in the WAD called Skimmital from back in 2006 that also has more levels, and the second episode, if I recall, was Dark Grey Underground Muddy Map. That was all the way back from 2006. I think among WADs with small maps, that one is one of the least mentioned ones. Whoa. This is a tough place to have an outtrial. With two revenants. Oh, I got him stunned again. Good. Yes. Anytime I have to duck for cover from him is the time he could resurrect one of those revenants. And well, I'm not sure I exactly maintained my race pace to the finish, but needless to say, I got to the finish in an in-game time of 6 minutes. Probably isn't very long at all for this level, so I'd say it was another fun level and fairly linear, but not as linear as Map 7, and somewhat trickier as well, I would say. Glad I didn't waste all my ammo on the mastermind because there was a telephone. And no, I'm not gonna play Haste Keep today, but I do want to look real quickly and see. Could I have... Oh, yeah, there's this. I just want to test. If I went this way, what would happen? Okay, I can really get to the outside that quickly, so could actually play this level a lot faster than I did and skip that whole southwestern area. That's kind of a strange choice. One route is decidedly a lot easier than the other. Anything about it in the text file? Oh, the text file says the Spider Mastermind can be telephoned. I actually didn't read that sentence and just found it out for myself. Well, that's gonna be all that's all for this video. I will see you in this WOD again probably in a couple days.